Okay, so today we're looking at what's this word here?
Division.
Division. So division is splitting something equally. For instance, let's say you have 10 raffle tickets and you'd like to share them with how many friends?
5.
5 friends. So we have our friend
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We need to figure out how to share all of these tickets evenly so everyone gets the same number of tickets. So we're going to divide the tickets among the friends so that each friend gets an equal number. So how do you want to do that? I want you to draw an arrow once you give a friend the ticket and then cross it out that you've used it, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Can I put my hand on?
Okay, so that's 1 ticket for 1 friend. Good. Good job.
Yeah.
Okay, so you gave that friend how many tickets?
2.
Okay. What about the other friends?
Other friend.
Good. The other friend is also going to get 2 tickets. We're going to see if that's enough for all 5 friends, right?
Yeah.
Do you think we're going to have any left over?
No.
Why not?
Because there's 10 raffle tickets and there's 5 people. So they can each get 2 because you could just do 2 times 5 equals 10.
Excellent. Very good.
2, 2, 2.
So how many raffle tickets have you used so far?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 6.
Good. And you gave 6 tickets to how many friends? We gave 1 to this friend.
2.
1. We gave 1 to this friend so far. She got 1. I mean, she got 2. This friend got 2. This friend got 2. Good.
I need to do like
Good.
there.
Okay, let's continue.
Yeah.
So we're on the 4th friend right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go all the way around. Okay. Good. How many tickets did that friend get?
2 now.
Good.
Like,
How many friends do you have left?
I have 1,
Good. And how many tickets do you have left?
2.
Oh, wow. So was it evenly distributed?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. Each friend got how many tickets? Let's see.
2.
Good job. 1 and the last one. Good. Okay. Circle it.
Okay.
Good job. Okay, so do you see how each of these people got 2 tickets each? So what you did, you created 5 equal groups of 2 tickets. Let's see what that looks like. So see how each of them have 2 tickets. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Can you write this as an addition sentence? How would you
Like
represent
times?
this as addition, adding?
Like plus?
Yep. How would you show this as an addition sentence? You can write it down there or up there.
I write it.
We would write, you could put your hand down.
2, 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 2
Good. What does that equal to?
equals 10.
Okay, how many times did you add 2 together? Can you write it as a multiplication sentence? You can put it down here.
And do it here. 2 times 5 equals 10.
Excellent. Now, how could you show this as a division sentence? Think about how many tickets we started it with. How many tickets did you start with altogether?
10.
Okay, so you started with 10, and then you had to divide it among how many friends were there?
5.
So how would you show that as a division sentence?
10 divided by 5 equals 2.
Excellent. Can you write that? Do you know the division symbol?
Yeah.
10 divided by 5. Good. Because you divided it amongst the 5 friends. And what does this equals 2 mean? What does this mean? What did it mean? Each of the 5 friends, right? Each of the 5 friends got 2 tickets. And altogether, there were 10 tickets. Do you see how all of these math sentences are all related? Okay, so division happens a lot in real life too. So for instance, consider the situation below. Imagine you have, how many cupcakes do we have here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And you have how many empty trays?
2.
Right, we have 1 empty tray and we have another empty tray. We want to place an equal number of cupcakes on each tray. Okay, so in other words, we want to divide the cupcakes up into 2 trays. So we want to take the 6 cupcakes and divide them into 2 trays. How would we do that? How many cupcakes will you put on each tray so that they have the same number? Okay, good. That's 1. So do you want to cross off the one you used? Stop for a sec. Okay. Oops. That's okay. There you go. And now we're going to put 1 on the second tray. Good. So how many cupcakes have you used so far?
2.
Good.
Now this guy. Boop, boop, boop. Now cross it off. Another guy.
Good.
And this guy.
Good. And you have 1 more cupcake to split up. Good. Excellent. Did you use all 6 cupcakes?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. How many cupcakes did you put on each tray?
3.
Good. You put 3 cupcakes on each tray. So can you tell me what the division sentence is going to be to represent this? How many cupcakes are in each tray, in each group? How many are here? Let's count them. 1,
2, 3.
and how many cupcakes are on the second tray?
1, 2, 3.
So how would we represent this as a division sentence? Remember, we started with 6 cupcakes and we divided them into 2 empty trays. And how many did we get in each tray? That's going to help you write your division sentence.
6 divided by 2 equals 3.
Excellent. Can you write that? 6. So we started with 6. And you want to think about how many groups you divided them into. You divided them into how many groups? Good. And how many did you get into each group? What was your answer?
3.
Excellent. Okay, so we're going to try these 3 examples just to see if we understand it, okay? You're going to write in the numbers, the missing numbers. So the first one says, a teacher has 16 pencils that she distributes evenly between 4 students. What would be the division sentence? 16 pencils that the teacher has and she's dividing them evenly. She gives out a certain number of pencils for 4 students. Good. So what would we start with? She has how many pencils? You can put your,
4.
Okay. Do we want to try and answer this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Equally.
If we start with 16 and we're dividing 16 into 4 groups, how many would each student get? How many pencils? So how many pencils would each student get?
4.
Excellent. And the way you can check your answer is you can see, well, 4 times 4 is equal to 16, right? We can write a related multiplication sentence. Okay, let's do the next one. A florist has 18 roses and divides them equally between 3 vases. What's the division sentence?
18
Good.
divided by 3
Excellent.
equals 6.
Excellent. And we can check our answer. 3 times 6
3 times 6
is 3 times 6, 18.
Yeah.
Yeah, then it has to be right. Okay, last one. You have 6 treats to share equally with your 3 dogs. What's the division sentence?
6 divided by 3.
There's 3 dogs, so how many treats
Equals
does each dog get?
2.
Excellent. And can you check your answer?
3 times 2 equals.
What's 3 times 2?
3 times 2 equals 6.
Excellent work.